Your brain is not your enemy, but sometimes it acts like one. It resists change. It avoids discomfort. It keeps you stuck in cycles that feel safe, but slowly destroy you. And most of the time, you don't even realize it's happening. Today, we'll explore 17 habits your brain secretly hates. The ones that drain your focus, your energy, and your clarity. And more importantly, how to replace them. 1. Waking up to chaos. The first thing your brain hates is starting the day in confusion. Checking messages, diving into noise before you even breathe. Replace it with silence. 1 minute. Eyes closed, breathing in, breathing out. Let your brain wake up before the world does. 2. Skipping structure. Your brain thrives on patterns. When you live in constant improvisation, it feels lost. Replace it with tiny rituals. A glass of water, a journal line, a stretch. It's not about control, it's about clarity.
3. Endless scrolling. The brain is ancient. It wasn't built for infinite stimulation. Every scroll tells it nothing is enough. Replace it with intentional boredom. Sit, do nothing. Let your mind wander. That's where real ideas grow. 4. Eating without awareness. When you eat fast, your brain never registers enough. You stay hungry for everything, not just food. Replace it with slow presence. 1 bite, 1 breath. Gratitude in motion. 5. Ignoring rest. Your brain needs pauses like lungs need air, but you call them lazy moments and skip them. Replace it with scheduled stillness, a 10-minute break, not to escape work, but to let thoughts settle.
6. Multitasking. It feels productive, but your brain can only focus on one thing deeply. Replace it with deep single focus. Turn off everything else. Give one task your full attention, just once, and you'll feel the difference. 7. Overthinking instead of acting. Your brain loves loops. It keeps analyzing to avoid risk. Replace it with the 5-second rule. When you know what to do, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Action rewires fear. 8. Repeating familiar pain. Your brain chooses the pain it knows over the uncertainty it doesn't. That's why you go back to habits, to people, to cycles. Replace it with curious discomfort. Do one new thing every day that scares you just a little. 9. Constant inner criticism. You're not enough. You'll fail anyway. These aren't truths, they're habits. Replace them with neutral observation. I made a mistake. I can learn from it. Calm voices build stronger minds.
10. Delaying the important things. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's fear dressed as comfort. Replace it with micro starts. Do 1 minute of the task, then 1 more. Momentum beats motivation. 11. Staying still for too long. The body moves the mind. When you sit for hours, your energy dies before your ideas do. Replace it with movement moments. Stretch, walk. Even 2 minutes wakes your brain up. 12. Avoiding emotions. Suppressing feelings doesn't erase them. It stores them in tension, in fatigue, in silence. Replace it with emotional labeling. I feel angry. I feel tired. Naming emotions disarms them. 13. Constant noise. Your brain needs quiet to organize thoughts, but you fill every second with sound. Replace it with intentional silence. No music, no talking, just your breathing and the sound of life happening. 14. Seeking approval. Your brain loves reward chemicals, but external validation trains it to depend on others for peace. Replace it with self-recognition. Before you post it, ask, would I still be proud if no one saw this? That's freedom.
15. Saying yes to everything. Every yes is a withdrawal from your attention. Your brain hates scattered energy. Replace it with the slow no. Pause before agreeing. Protect your future focus. 16. Neglecting reflection. Days blur when you don't process them. Your brain loses the lessons it worked hard to earn. Replace it with 5 minutes of nightly reflection. What did I learn today? What drained me? What filled me? Awareness compounds. 17. Forgetting gratitude. When nothing feels enough, the brain spirals into survival mode. Gratitude brings it home. Replace it with one daily thank you. To a person, to a moment, to yourself. The brain loves peace more than pleasure. It just forgets how to find it. Conclusion. Your brain isn't broken. It's just doing what it learned to do. Protect you. But protection can become a prison if you never question it. Replace noise with stillness. Replace doubt with small action. Replace chaos with ritual. And little by little, your brain will stop fighting you and start working for you. Because it doesn't hate you, it just wants peace. And now you know how to give it that.